Hey everybody, Kurt with Roadside Guy. Shoot a quick video, show you guys how to change a tire on your 2018 Toyota Tundra. I was shooting a video when I accidentally hit the wrong button and stopped it, so we'll go back through it real quick. First things first, I'm kind of in a hurry too, it's about to rain. First things first, these vehicles have locking lug nuts, so you want to identify the locking lug nut. If you have one, you can tell one will be different than all the others. All the others will be identical except for the locking lug nut. You'll need the key for this. This is what the key looks like. You can find this key in your glove compartment, center console, or with the jack, the rods, or the tire iron. That'll slide on like so. You'll feel it kind of lock into place. Then we'll come over here to our jack. We'll see that we have it on the frame in a nice spot. It's starting to rain, so we're going to do this kind of quick. You want to make sure you have your emergency brake which we do. Third brake all the way to the left on an automatic. That's set. Rain's starting to come down a little bit. Okay, so you're going to connect these rods together. Once you have these rods connected together, you're going to put the hook side facing into the hole just above the tag, and that's going to go straight in until it engages, and then you're going to crank that counterclockwise like that, which will lower your winch, which is this guy here, down and allow you to get your tire out. This will hold it like so underneath the vehicle, so you just lower it and you can pull your spare out. Once you have your spare out, you can go ahead and crank the chain back up, and I'll go ahead and set this camera here for a second. So the best position to have this rod is with your left hand on the rod, your right hand on the tire iron, with the tire iron facing outward, and you can crank it going up or down in this way. We're going to crank it back up because we're not going to put our flat back underneath the vehicle. You don't want to crank this all the way back up. Kind of let it hang about 10 inches or so. Once you've got that up, you can pull your rod back out nice and careful, not to scratch anything. And we'll disassemble our rods. And we can put those back into the case in which they came out of. Alright, we'll take our spare up here. Alright, so now that we've pretty much got everything set, we've got our spare out, we've got our locking lug nut, we've got our emergency brake set, we've got our jack in position. We can go ahead and start to change this wheel now. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get our jack kind of going up. Don't want to get the wheel off the ground, just want to get the jack kind of going up, and then we want to make sure our lug nuts are going to come off nice and easy before we get the wheel off the ground. So you see that didn't go off, so we'll have to grab. So that didn't take the the lug nut off, so I have to grab a breaker bar, and let's see if I can get a better position for this camera. Okay, so that's why you don't take the wheel up off the ground, because the wheel will spin and you won't be able to break your lugs loose. So I'll go ahead and break them loose with this breaker bar here. we go. Yes, sir. All right, now we got them broke. We can go ahead and back it up the rest of the way that we need for our clearance to get the wheel on and off. All right. This is a 7/8 socket, by the way, in case you guys know. Put our spare on. Always hand tighten the lug nuts when you're putting them on, at least 5 threads. That way you don't cross thread your lug nuts. It's very important. Then when we go to tighten it, we're going to use a cross pattern. Here, 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 like so. And then we'll just make sure they're completely tight. By using our breaker bar to kind of finish the job. Grab your locking lug nut off so you don't lose it. And that's it. That's how you change your tire on your 2018 Toyota Tundra. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you guys. We're gonna put our locking lug nut key back in the glove compartment. We're gonna release our emergency brake by pushing the pedal and having it release back up. And then we'll put our flat in the back just before it starts to rain too bad.
That's great.
You got a screw in it.
A screw
yep.
In it?
That's.
Now, the tire, can it be saved?
It appears so.
Oh, lovely. Let me come look at it. That's all I want to know. I can't even imagine what those tires are.
Right, they're about 300. So, actually, I think you will need a new tire.
Oh no, really?
Because of where it's at. So if it was here to here, you'd be able to plug it, but from here out you can't. If you have what's called road hazard coverage, it covers that kind of stuff. So when you buy your tires, they'll ask you if you want road hazard. Maybe it came with the vehicle when you bought it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Check that.
I'll have to check with the dealer.
Yep.
Super. All
right. Well,
it is a road hazard, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a road hazard. Absolutely.
Thank you. I pulled the chair out to listen to you towards the tail end of that.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
I didn't think of it beforehand. I would have been there soon, but I always look plastic.